Jack Miller, grade 3, room 101, please come to the principal's office.
Mom, that's Jack.
Can Jack Miller, grade 3, room 101, please come to the principal office? Now,
Please. All right. Let's go see the principal. I already booked dinner for tonight.
parent-teacher night comes first. Dinner can wait. Jack, what's wrong?
Nothing.
He's fine, just tired.
Where's Jack's report card?
I already saw it. It's fine.
I want to see it. Michael.
Later. We're going to be late. After the meeting.
Hey, Emma. I saw your report carded. You did really well.
Mom, you look really tired.
Tired? I'm fine. Your teacher said your essay was very good.
Yeah,
What was it about?
just things I noticed.
Things about what?
Things at home.
Was I in it?
Kind of.
Kind of?
You'll see tonight. Are you okay? I didn't think yesterday would go like that. Mom will be disappointed. Maybe not. I tried to help.
What's going on with you today?
Nothing! I'm great! Come on, let's go!
Jack's report card.
It's fine. After the meeting. Let's go.
How are we doing this?
Same time, right? I'll take Jack, you take Emma.
Why?
The meetings overlap. We can't split differently.
Dad with me.
Really?
No. Okay.
Jack never does that.
Dad, if Mom asks,
Let me talk.
and if the teacher asks about the report carded,
Still me.
Dad, can you fix this?
I've handled worse.
When?
Walk faster.
Emma, please show your mother around.
This is my desk.
Very clean.
I cleaned it this morning.
Of course you did.
This is my reading award.
Most advanced reader.
Yes.
Emma is one of our strongest students. Every subject, extending.
Good.
But her writing this term was different. Detailed. Specific. The kind of observation most adults don't usually have.
That sounds like Emma.
The judges said it was the most honest piece they read all year.
The most honest.
Emma sees things very clearly.
Yes, she does.
It's been a real pleasure, Mrs. Miller.
Thank you. For everything. Everything. So, what did you write in your essay? Was it about me?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Kind of. You'll see tonight.
Hi, Mrs. Green. Nice to see you. Are we sitting here?
Please, Mr. Miller, have a seat. Mr. Miller, Jack is a sweet boy.
Yes, he is.
But the last 2 weeks, reading, math, focus. These 3, not good.
I know. Things were busy.
3 assignments, not submitted.
I know.
Jack, the reading journal. Where is it?
There was a situation.
What kind of situation?
A complicated situation. At home. Things got busy.
I see. I sent this home yesterday. This is Mrs. Miller's signature?
She's been very tired lately. I helped her.
You signed it.
She was very tired.
I think we should ask Mrs. Miller to join us.
Bathroom. Now. Sorry, quick bathroom break.
Sure, go ahead.
Dad? What do we do?
Just breathe.
Jack Miller, grade 3, room town 1, please come to the principal's office. Now, please.
Does the principal know?
I think he does.
What do we do?
Let's go see.
Jack Miller, grade 3, room 101, please come to the principal's office. Now, please.
Mom. That's Jack.
Emma, do you know something?
I know Jack has a secret.
Emma.
That's all.
That's Jack's locker?
Something happened yesterday.
What happened? What happened here?
Someone opened a few lockers yesterday.
Mr. Davis, before we get into anything, I need to tell you something.
Did they take anything?
Jack's lunch money.
Looks like we need a better lock. Mrs. Green? Mrs. Miller? Actually, I wanted to speak with you about the report card signature. Of course! I'm so sorry. Where are Jack and Michael? They stepped out for a bathroom break. Then there was the announcement. I assumed they went to the principal's office. Thank you. I'm sorry. We'll come back to this.
Where are we going?
The principal's office.
I signed it. That's on me. His grades have been slipping for weeks. And I signed Anna's name.
Mom, please.
You've known for weeks? And you forged my signature?
Oh, Anna, you're here. Right, this is Principal Davis. This is Anna, my wife. Mr. Davis, nice to meet you, Mrs. Miller.
Mr. Davis. I apologize, Mr. Davis, for all of this.
That's all right. Please don't involve Jack. He didn't ask me to do this.
That is not completely true.
Jack!
Sorry.
Michael. Yes. Are you finished? Yes. Good.
Please. Let's all sit down.
You signed my name.
On the report card. I can explain.
Mr. Davis, what is the consequence?
Before we talk about consequences, can I ask you something?
Of course.
How well do you think you know Jack?
He is 8 years old. Of course I know him.
Yesterday, there was a locker theft at our school. We recovered the stolen items this morning.
Emma mentioned that. What is that?
This was in the recovered items. Jack's name was on it. I'm sorry. I opened it.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. I made this for you. Because I see you come home tired every day. And you still make dinner. And help us with homework. So, I wanted to make something that says thank you. Oh, Dad, help me with the recording. Dad, say hi.
Hi, Anna.
Dad, that's all?
Happy birthday, Anna.
Okay, that's better.
Jack, this is for me.
Yes.
Emma.
Jack made that. For 3 weeks. I helped paint the flowers.
Today was your birthday. He wanted everything to be perfect. He thought if the box was gone, he had nothing. And I didn't tell you, Mom.
You asked what my essay was about. It was about Jack. Making your birthday present.
Mom, I just wanted today to be different.
Jack. Oh, Jack.
But it got stolen.
I don't care. You made it. That's what matters.
Dad,
What?
stop.
Mr. Davis, thank you.
I think he did very well. Wait. You didn't call us here because of the report card? No. We found the box. I only asked you to come get it. But then, you kept talking.
I told him to stop.
Mrs. Miller, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So, am I still in trouble?
Yes.
Dad, what about dinner?
Let's survive the car first.